My video guide will provide you with instructions to help you get rid of the unwanted browser extension called site usage. So this site usage is indeed an unwanted extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that some way or another it can help people to show usage and malicious rate per site. Maybe this feature is good for some categories of people, but this particular extension actually operates as typical adware. Once installed, it starts displaying the tremendous amount of intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you actually visit. So we recommend you to be very careful and not to install this site's usage unwanted extension. If any unwanted extensions were mistakenly installed, access the menu More Tools Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. I also recommend that you carefully examine the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.